Understanding double-spaced in document formatting. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common term in English writing, especially in academic and professional contexts: double-spaced. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone learning English and needing to format documents according to specific guidelines. Let's dive into what double-spaced means and how to apply it in your writing. Double spacing refers to the amount of space between lines of text in a document. When a document is double-spaced, there is a full line's worth of space between each line of text, effectively doubling the amount of space compared to single spacing. This format is often required in academic writing to make text easier to read and annotate. Double spacing is important for several reasons. 1. Readability. It makes the text easier to read and navigate. 2. Editing and commenting. It provides ample space for editors or teachers to make corrections and comments. 3. Standard practice. Many academic institutions and publications require double spacing for consistency and formality. Most word processors, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, have simple steps to set your document to double spacing. 1. Highlight the text. Select the text you want to double space. 2. Formatting options. Find the paragraph or line spacing options in the toolbar. 3. Choose double. Select 2.0 or double from the spacing options. Let's look at examples where double spacing is typically used. Academic essays, often required by educational institutions. Business communications, used in formal reports and proposals. Manuscripts, preferred in many publishing formats. Double spacing is a key formatting element in English writing, enhancing readability and professionalism. Whether you're a student, professional, or aspiring writer, mastering this simple yet essential skill will greatly improve the clarity and effectiveness of your documents. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.